Slash keyboard is very different from the traditional iOS default keyboard or any of its third-party replacements because it allows the user to quickly share content from a variety of sources. Slash keyboard features a simple, clean user interface that looks a lot like Apple's default iOS keyboard. Its accompanying app has a very elegant user interface as well. Sharing is Slash Keyboard's main feature. Slash Keyboard is able to quickly and easily insert a wide variety of content into any text field, such as a text message. This content can come from a wide variety of places. For instance, you can share music from SoundCloud, Spotify, or your device's music library. Other than music, you can also share restaurants, GIFs, stickers, YouTube videos, contacts, New York Times articles, Amazon products, your current location, addresses, pictures from your device, lyrics, Wikipedia entries, tweets, apps, and links from Google searches. Slash Keyboard also allows you to create your own slashes, which are the services accessible after tapping the slash key on the keyboard. The slashes that the user can create are text creation shortcuts, which essentially enable you to type a short phrase such as IDK and have it be replaced with a longer phrase such as I don't know. One of the most interesting features that Slash Keyboard has to offer is the ability to suggest inserting content based on what you type. For example, type, "Are you hungry?" and Slash Keyboard will prompt you to do a Foursquare search for places such as restaurants. Slash Keyboard definitely isn't the best option for users who require multilingual text input due to the fact that you have to request to use multiple languages. Slash Keyboard also doesn't have any themes unlike many other third-party keyboards, which would be nice to have since it would allow more customization of the keyboard. While on the subject of customization, Slash Keyboard does not allow you to change which 7 slashes are pinned to the top of your keyboard. It keeps a shortcut for the Google search, current location sharing, contact sharing, Foursquare, YouTube, GIFs, and sticker slashes present at the top of the keyboard at all times, besides when typing. A big issue with Slash Keyboard is that it doesn't offer any skin tone variations in its emojis, which Apple began offering in its default iOS keyboard in iOS 8.3. Another bad thing about Slash Keyboard is that it takes up a ton of screen space in landscape mode when browsing insertable content. It takes up so much space that it even covers the toolbar at the top of the screen in some apps, like Messages. Slash Keyboard also fails to include good text prediction. However, it does include a limited amount of text prediction that only appears when you're in the middle of typing a word, not before any words have begun being typed. Slash Keyboard can even begin to feel awkward at times while typing, due to the fact that it lacks animations when switching between text predictions. The default iOS keyboard has these animations, making its prediction seem to flow with your typing. Although Slash Keyboard may have quite a few downsides to it, most of these disadvantages don't interfere whatsoever with Slash Keyboard's selling point, which is quick and effortless content sharing from your keyboard. For this reason, if you frequently share content like YouTube videos, restaurants, or anything else that Slash Keyboard supports, it's definitely worth your time to try it out. Otherwise, if you're the type of person who only types with their keyboard, you'll be just fine sticking with whatever keyboard you currently use.